friends, welcome to our channel Ideal Girls AP Departmental Test. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో నవంబర్ 2020 సెక్షన్కి సంబంధించి 8th ఆగస్ట్ 2021లో జరిగినటువంటి పేపర్ కోడ్ 8 ఈ పేపర్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్ ఎలాగైతే ప్రతి పేపర్ 4 పార్ట్స్గా ఉందో ఇది కూడా అలానే 4 పార్ట్స్గా ఉంటుంది. ఈరోజు మనం ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ అంటే 1 to 25 బిట్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఇప్పటికీ మీలో ఎవరైనా మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయనట్లయితే వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే అప్డేటెడ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం బెల్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. అంతేకాదండి, డిపార్ట్మెంటల్ టెస్ట్కి సంబంధించి ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్ కోసం డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి లింక్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో, యాజ్ పర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ప్రొవిజన్ no municipal tax is payable on a public building situated in a cantonment. దీనికి మనకి ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ 4 is a right one. Article 120 of AP Financial Code Volume 1. Next one, the rule regarding prosecution for embezzlement of public monies or property is given in dash of APFC Volume 1 అంటే ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ కోడ్ వాల్యూమ్ 1. ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ 2 is a right one. Article 302. Next one, the leaves salary contribution payable in case of deputation to foreign service is dash on the pay of the government servant from time to time. Next one, the leave salary contribution payable in case of deputation to foreign service is dash on the pay of the government servant from time to time. Right option is 11%, so option 1 is the correct one. Next, quote, the rule leave cannot be claimed as a right in fundamental rules. So right option is fundamental rule 67. Option 2 is the correct one. The female government servant can avail child care leave up to. Option 1 is the correct one, 2 months. Next one, a government servant will be sanctioned dash selected for discharge from service owing to the abolition of his permanent post and not opted for another post. Right option is compensation pension. So option 1 is the right one. Next question, the earning capacity of earned leave by the government servant in superior service appointed regularly for a calendar year is. Option 2 is the right one, 30 days. Next, extraordinary leave sanctioning authority up to dash is head of the department. Option 2, 6 months is the correct answer. Next one, what is the maximum number of days of commuted leaves an employee can avail during the entire service? Option 3 is the correct one, 240 days. Next one, which of the following is not allowed while surrender of earned leave? Option 2 is the right one. Next, tender system deals in AP Financial Code Volume 1 under option 2 is the correct one, Article 125. Next one, how many days special casual leave can be sanctioned to the employee? Next one, how many days special casual leaves can be sanctioned to the employees who donate blood? Right option is for 1 day. Next one, the maximum number of stagnation increments shall be allowed in RPS 2015. Right option is 3, 5. Next one. Treasuries should maintain a register in dash showing the particulars of sealed parcels and cash just received for custody. Right option is Form 19. ఇది మనకి ట్రెజరీ కోడ్లో ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్, సర్టిఫికేట్ ఆఫ్ క్రెడిట్ షాల్ బి ఇష్యూడ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఒరిజినల్ చలానా అండర్. ఇది కూడా మనకి ట్రెజరీ కోడ్లో ఉంటుందండి. ఆప్షన్ 3 ఈజ్ ద రైట్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్, ద రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ for the detection of tax at source lies with. Option 4 is the correct one. Next one. The female government servant is eligible for dash of leaves to undergo hysterectomy operation. Right option is 1, 45 days. Next one. Minimum pension applicable to pensioner per month in RPS 2015. Right option 2, 6,500. Next one. If a government servant is removed as per CCA Rule 9 or dismissed from service, the sanctioning authority may sanction dash as per rules of APRPRs 1980. Option 1 is the correct one. Next, budget memorandum is prepared by. Option 4 is the right answer, Government in Finance Department. Next one, Article 272 of AP Financial Code deals with. Option 4, repayment of lapsed deposit is the right answer. Next, a government servant who wants to retire from service voluntarily has to give dash prior notice as per APRPRs 1980. Right option is 2, 3 months. Next, what is the maximum weightage that a government servant can add to his qualifying service to get full benefits of pension is? Option 3, 5 years is the right answer. Next one, according to TR 16 SR 14 of AP Treasury Code, a DDO shall finish dash along with a claim. Option 4 is the right answer. Last question in this video. Who will get weightage while calculating pension? Option 3, those retired on superannuation and voluntarily. That is the right answer. Option 3 is the correct one. So friends, thank you for watching. Remaining bits we will continue in the next video.